There, Bam Bam. There, my baby. What are you doing? Come on. You want to go this way up the water? Come on, let's go this way. Come on. Let's go this way. This way. This way. Bam Bam. Bam Bam. This way. Oh, nope, he's going up there. Where the heck's he going? Let's find him. There's part of Mike's treehouse. Double decker. Bam Bam goes up there with him. It's pretty cool. See? Pretty neat, huh? Then you can come out here on this end. Let's go find Bam Bam. This is his backyard. He loves it back here. I hear him. There he is. Hi. Hi, baby. What are you doing, huh? We get a lot of fucking homeless people back here, and they leave their trash. We kick them out of here, though. I don't know what's in that bag, and I don't have any gloves right now, so we'll come pick it up later. Hey! What you doing? Huh? What are you doing? What is that? Oh, what's that? Oh, let's go see. Let's go see. Wait, where are you going? Huh? Bam Bam. This way, baby. Come on. Bam Bam, this way. Bam Bam. This way. Boy, he's ornery today. Bam Bam. This way. You better get your butt over here. Come on. Bam Bam Hiccup Smith. Get over here.